Hello children, welcome to Sasu Fun Easy Learning. Today we are going to learn about counting number. So let's start the class. 1 1 2 2 apple 3 3 apple 4 4 apple 5 5 apple 6 6 apple 7 7 apple 8 8 apple 9 9 apple 10 10 apple 11 11 apple 12 12 apple 13 13 apple 14 14 apple 15 15 apple 16 16 apple 17 17 apple 18 18 apple 19 19 apple 20 20 apple. Thanks for watching. Keep learning. See you next class.